Hello viewers, are you experiencing SIM card not working problem in Android phone? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix SIM card not working problem. So let's see how to fix it. First of all, check your SIM card and SIM slot are working properly. And then restart your phone by pressing power button 2 or 3 times. After restart your phone is still having the issue, then follow next step. Go to settings. Now tap on search settings. Search reset network settings. Now tap on reset mobile network settings. Again tap on reset mobile network settings. Then tap on reset settings. Now enter your phone password. Now tap on reset to confirm reset mobile network settings. After reset your mobile network settings, now go back to main settings. Now scroll down and find software update option. Now go to software update option. Now update your phone software in latest version. After following all steps, hopefully your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.